MCP, the Model Context Protocol, is an open-source standard for connecting AI applications to external systems. With it, an AI like Claude or ChatGPT can connect to data sources like your local files or a database, to tools like a search engine or a calculator, and to workflows like specialized prompts, so it can reach real information and get things done. The official docs put it in one image. Think of MCP like a USB-C port for AI. USB-C gives you a standard way to plug in your devices. MCP gives a standard way to connect AI applications to external systems. A few concrete examples: football season. Connect your assistant to a live scores feed, and it tells you who is winning right now. Hook it to your calendar, and it drops every match you care about onto your agenda. Wire a chatbot to a stats database, and you ask who has the most goals, in plain chat. And from a Figma design, Claude Code builds you a full bracket app. So how is it wired? 3 roles. The host is the AI app you open, say Claude Desktop or Visual Studio Code, and it coordinates everything. For each service, it creates a client, which holds one dedicated connection. At the other end sits a server, a program that provides context, your files, your error tracker, your database. One client for one server, each its own line. A server runs either locally on your machine or remotely. A server can expose 3 things. Tools. Functions the AI can call to act. Read a file, query a database, hit an API. Resources, data that gives context. The contents of a file, some records. And prompts, reusable templates like system prompts or examples. The client always starts by listing what is available, before using any of it. And what does an exchange look like? It all travels as small JSON-RPC messages. First, a handshake. Client and server announce what each can do. Then the client asks for the list of tools. Then it calls one. Say a live score tool, called with one argument, the match. The server answers, France 2, Brazil 1. That score flows back to the model, which can finally talk about something it did not have a second ago. And it goes both ways. A server can also call back to the app. It can borrow the app's model to think without shipping its own, that is called sampling. Or it can pause and ask you for a missing detail, or for confirmation, that is elicitation. So the server is not just answering, it can drive part of the exchange too. And it stays live. If a server's tools change, new ones appear, others go away, it can notify the app on the spot, no need to ask. So what the AI can do updates in real time, mid-conversation. Why does it matter? It depends where you sit. For developers, MCP cuts the time and complexity of integration. For AI applications, it opens a whole ecosystem of tools and data. And for the end user, it means more capable AI that can reach your data and take actions on your behalf when necessary. And it is not some isolated standard. MCP is open, supported across a wide range of clients and servers: Claude, ChatGPT, Visual Studio Code, Cursor, and many others. The idea: build once, integrate everywhere. One honest point, and the spec itself flags it. A tool is code that runs, and its description is read by the model like an instruction. So the spec is clear. Only connect servers you trust, and the app should ask for your approval before it acts. The port is universal, but it is on you to choose what you plug in. That is MCP, one open standard that connects AI to the world. I am Kurai Kudo. One AI shift worth knowing, every drop. I will see you on the next one.